Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to request money on Venmo. Open the website, then click Login. Now, log in with your email, mobile, or username and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a Pay or Request button at the lower left corner of the screen. Click on the Pay or Request button. Now on this page, enter all the required information such as the amount, the to account, and a note. You could also change its privacy by clicking on the blue text that says Public. After entering all the required information, click on Request. Review the following details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on the Request button. That's how you request money on Venmo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.